Good morning. I'm live today in the Southampton community. I'm holding an open house at a listing on Tunbridge Lane. If you happen to be in the community, stop by. You can't miss me. I have signs all over the place. But I wanted to point something out. This morning, when I was chatting with my friend Alexa, I said, "Good morning, Alexa," and she told me that today is National Chocolate Cake Day. So she also suggested that everybody eat not one but 2 slices of chocolate cake today, which gave me the thought that I should bring some chocolate donuts to my open house today. I actually have this open house and another one later today, so if my visitors don't eat them all today, I can pawn them off on this afternoon's visitors. But an odd thing happened. I asked for chocolate. Let me show you what I got here. I got donut holes, which are always a hit with the kids, and last week at my open house there were a lot of children. It was a big family home, as is this one, so lots of families showed up. Here are the chocolate donut holes, 50-ish of them, and then I asked for any donuts that have chocolate, all donuts that have chocolate on them, again in honor of chocolate cake today. I ordered a dozen donuts, but look, can you count? I only see 11 in there, and I could have sworn I saw her put 12 in the box. And the open house has just barely started. It starts at 9, actually, and has just started. I was here about 8:45, and there are only 11 donuts. Can't imagine what happened to that 12th donut, and it happens to have been, I think, it was probably my favorite, which is Boston cream. So please come help me, come eat these donuts so I don't have to. I'm at 2609 Tunbridge Lane. Can't wait to see you. Can't wait to get this house sold for my sellers. Have a great day. Bye.